Always start with the end in mind, plan your exit strategy and build your infrastructure. I don't care what size business you are. It's a must.
Are the concepts of selling your business for a profit, as in what you teach in Exit Rich, applicable to small mom and pop businesses? Now, we talked about this in Clubhouse in depth a little bit, but maybe 1 or 2 minutes if you can address that.
Yes, they absolutely are applicable, maybe even more so to mom and pop businesses, because what do mom and pop businesses have? Many of them have a job, not a business. So they're 1,000% applicable, because mom and pop businesses need to build an infrastructure of operating on the 6 Ps. They need to have the right people in place. They need to make sure that they're in the right industry. So they have to build that solid infrastructure so the business is not dependent upon them. They need to make sure they put the right processes in place. So it's hugely, Exit Rich is really for everybody, whether you're a multi-million-dollar company, whether you're a small mom and pop business, whether you're a solo entrepreneur, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you just started a business. Always start with the end in mind, plan your exit strategy and build your infrastructure. I don't care what size business you are. It's a must.